Bankruptcy is a word that often stirs anxiety, yet it can also be a path towards hope and financial renewal for those weighed down by unmanageable debt. Navigating the legal and emotional complexities of bankruptcy is never easy, which is why the guidance of seasoned professionals is invaluable. State Administration Services Debt Remedy, a multi-award-winning organization, has helped thousands of Australians regain control of their finances since 1989, acting as a trusted intermediary between debtors, creditors, and trustees to smooth the process and alleviate stress. What is bankruptcy? Bankruptcy is a legal process for individuals who are unable to pay their debts as they come due. It exists as a last resort option, offering a structured means to deal with unmanageable financial obligations while providing legal protection from creditors. In Australia, bankruptcy is governed by the Bankruptcy Act 1966 and is administered by the Australian Financial Security Authority, AFSA. The bankruptcy journey, a step-by-step. 1. Assessment and advice. Before deciding on bankruptcy, individuals are encouraged to seek professional advice. Organizations such as State Administration Services Debt Remedy offers confidential assessments, ensuring clients understand all available options. TWO. Filing for bankruptcy. If bankruptcy is deemed appropriate, the application is prepared and lodged. The individual's financial circumstances are reviewed, and all debts and assets are disclosed. 3. Appointment of trustee. Upon acceptance, a trustee is assigned to administer the estate, communicate with creditors, and ensure compliance with legal obligations. 4. Asset and income assessment. The trustee will determine which assets may be retained or must be sold, and whether income contributions are required based on current earning thresholds. 5. Creditors notified. Creditors are informed of the bankruptcy and claims are submitted through the trustee. Obligations and restrictions. While bankrupt, individuals must comply with certain restrictions, such as disclosure requirements, travel limitations, and restrictions on obtaining further credit. 6. Discharge. A bankruptcy typically lasts 3 years and 1 day, after which most debts are discharged and the individual is released from the bankruptcy.
Now, let's discuss some of the benefits of bankruptcy. Bankruptcy can actually offer several benefits to those struggling under the weight of unmanageable debt. 1. Legal protection from creditors. Once bankrupt, creditors must cease most legal actions and collection activities. 2. Debt relief. The process results in the elimination of many unsecured debts, providing a fresh start after discharge. 3. Financial clarity and closure. Bankruptcy brings structure and predictability, allowing individuals to rebuild their financial lives. 4. Emotional relief. The cessation of relentless creditor contact and the burden of mounting debts can dramatically improve emotional well-being. 5. Guidance and support. With the assistance of experienced organizations, the process becomes more manageable and less intimidating. State Administration Services Debt Remedy, a trusted partner. Since its establishment in 1989, State Administration Services Debt Remedy has earned a reputation as a multi-award-winning leader in debt solutions and bankruptcy assistance. Our dedicated team has successfully represented thousands of clients, guiding them through the maze of bankruptcy and alternative remedies with compassion and expertise. We act as the conduit. What sets State Administration Services Debt Remedy apart is our comprehensive approach. We serve as the vital link between the debtor, creditors, and the appointed trustee, ensuring that communication is clear, expectations are managed, and all parties stay informed. This mediation not only streamlines the administrative process but also significantly reduces the stress and confusion often associated with bankruptcy proceedings. Case studies and client success. Over the decades, countless individuals have found a path to financial freedom and stability through the support of State Administration Services Debt Remedy. Our award-winning service is reflected in the stories of those who have reclaimed their lives and futures after confronting overwhelming debt. Conclusion. Bankruptcy is more than a legal process. It is a journey that, when navigated with the right support, can lead to renewed financial health and personal relief. State Administration Services Debt Remedy stands as a beacon of expertise and empathy, ensuring that clients are not alone on the road to recovery.